Hey guys, it's Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Java Development Kit onto your Windows 10 computer. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So I'm going to open up my browser here and just type JDK. It's going to take you to Oracle's website. We'll click that here at the top. Scroll down here to the bottom. Since this is Windows, so we're going to click Windows. And it's going to go ahead and get the 64-bit installer. I'm going to click the link here to the right for the install. Then we'll go through the steps, hit next. And it's telling us where this program is going to be found. So it's going to be in our program files folder. So we'll just hit next. If you want to change that, you can change it, but I would recommend just leaving it on program files. Hit next. And then we're going to close this out. After we close this out, let's go to our program files folder. Okay, I'm already here. We're in the program files folder right here. And let's just look for Java. We're going to click that. JDK 17.0. We're going to open our bin. So we're going to go to the bin folder here. And we're going to copy this here at the top. We're going to copy this here, copy this path. Then we're going to go down here to the bottom left. Type VAR. It's going to bring up edit the system environment variables. We're going to click environment variables. And right here under system variables, we're going to click path. So you see path there. Then we're going to hit edit. And we're going to click new. And right here in this empty slot that opens up, in this empty slot, we're just going to paste Control V. We're going to paste that right there at the bottom. And then we're going to hit OK. Then we're going to hit new down here at the bottom. Hit new. Okay. Then for the variable name, we're going to type Java home underscore home. And then we're gonna paste that value in from before. Only this time we're going to remove bin. So we're going to remove bin. We're going to remove that. Click OK. 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 Close everything out here. Now down here, type command prompt. We just want to make sure that it works. So we're going to type Java space version. Hit enter. And you'll see that we have the latest version of the development kit installed. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.